Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to Hive Tales. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that you won't want to miss. We're diving into the incredible world of honey and its role in promoting healthy nail growth and nail health. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Alright, let's buzz into it. Honey is often seen as a delightful addition to our tea or a natural sweetener for our desserts. But did you know that it has many benefits for our nails as well? In this video, we'll explore how honey can play a significant role in maintaining healthy nails and promoting nail growth. The natural moisturizer. One of honey's remarkable qualities is that it's a natural humectant, which means it helps to attract and retain moisture. When applied to your nails, honey can help prevent them from becoming brittle and dry. It acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping your nails hydrated and healthy. Enhancing nail strength. Healthy nails are not only about their appearance but also their strength. Honey is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B and iron, which are vital for nail strength and growth. Incorporating honey into your nail care routine can contribute to stronger, more resilient nails. Protection with antioxidants. Honey is packed with antioxidants that protect your nails from free radical damage. This protection can help prevent your nails from becoming discolored or weakened over time. By using honey as part of your nail care regimen, you're giving your nails an extra layer of defense against environmental stressor. DIY honey nail mask. Now, let's get practical and explore how you can create a DIY honey nail mask at home to promote healthy nails. It's simple, cost-effective, and highly beneficial. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a few drops of lemon juice. 1. Mix the honey, olive oil, and lemon juice in a small bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your nails and cuticles. 3. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. 4. Rinse it off with warm water and pat dry. Repeat this process once or twice a week, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the health and strength of your nails. This DIY honey nail mask is a natural and effective way to nourish your nails and cuticles. Nail fungus prevention. In addition to moisturizing and strengthening your nails, honey also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes it an excellent choice for preventing nail fungus. By applying honey to your nails regularly, you can help keep them free from infections. Cuticle care. Healthy nails start with healthy cuticles. Neglecting your cuticles can lead to various nail problems. However, honey can be your ally in cuticle care. It helps moisturize and soften your cuticles, promoting overall nail health. Healing properties. If you have damaged or brittle nails, honey's healing properties can aid in the recovery process. It helps repair and strengthen damaged nails over time. So, if your nails have been through a lot, consider adding honey to your nail care routine for some extra TLC. Hydration is key. Remember, just like the rest of your body, your nails require proper hydration. Drinking honey-infused water can also contribute to healthier nails from within. Hydrated nails are less likely to become brittle or develop problems, so staying well hydrated is essential. But before we continue exploring the wonders of honey for your nails, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're finding this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get back to it. In conclusion, honey is not just a sweet treat. It's a versatile natural remedy that can work wonders for your nails. Whether you're looking to moisturize, strengthen, protect, or heal your nails, honey has you covered. So, the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey in your tea or drizzle it over your pancakes, remember that you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth but also giving your nails a little extra love. And that's a wrap on today's video about the incredible benefits of honey for your nails. If you enjoyed this information, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below to let us know how honey has transformed your nail health. Before you go, make sure to check out our previous video on honey and its role in promoting emotional well-being in pregnancy. You won't want to miss it. Click right here to watch it now. Thanks for joining us here at Hive Tales, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care of those nails and stay buzzing with Hive Tales. Bye for now.